Hi everyone, welcome to Eassiy Official. Stuck at the iCloud activation lock screen on a second-hand iPhone or a device whose Apple ID you can't access? Today, I'll show 4 free ways that sometimes work. And if none of them do, I'll walk you step by step through a reliable tool, Passixer iPhone Unlocker, that can help you regain access. Let's go. What is Activation Lock? Quickly, Activation Lock is Apple's Find My protection. After an erase, the device asks for the original Apple ID and password before setup can continue. How to bypass iCloud Activation Lock for free. Method 1. Unlock with device passcode. Best part? It works when the activation lock screen shows Unlock with passcode. You can authenticate locally. Here are the steps. Tap Unlock with passcode, then use device passcode. Enter the screen passcode, and setup completes. Method 2. Ask the original owner to remove it. This is fast and official if you can contact the previous owner. They can remove the device remotely. Owner steps are: sign in to iCloud.com, go to Find My, select all devices, pick the device, choose Erase, and then remove from account. After removal, you can set up the device. Method 3 is to contact Apple with proof of purchase. This method is really best for rightful owners who can actually prove ownership, because Apple can clear activation lock after they verify your information. So, you'll need to gather your proof, like a receipt or your device's IMEI number, then submit a request through Apple's activation lock support. Just follow their instructions and wait for approval. Method 4 is the DNS or temporary bypass, but it's pretty limited. This one's best if you only need some basic functions for a short time. Just remember, it's not a permanent unlock. The steps are super brief. At the Wi-Fi screen, tap the little I icon, then replace the DNS with a region server, like 104.154.51.7. Go back, connect, and tap Activation Help. If it works, you'll get access to some limited apps and functions. But honestly, try the first 3 methods before this one. DNS is really just for quick, temporary access and isn't very reliable. When you don't have Apple ID, passcode, or the original owner, Passixer, detailed and focused. If none of the free routes work, no passcode, no owner, no proof, the practical option is a professional bypass. Passixer iPhone Unlocker is built for this. It removes activation lock or Apple ID and helps you set up the device again. Connect device. Step-by-step launch and select. Open Passixer iPhone Unlocker on your PC or Mac. Choose Bypass iCloud Activation Lock from the main menu. If the device requires jailbreaking, Passixer will show on-screen jailbreak instructions. Connect the locked iPhone or iPad to the computer with a USB cable. Wait for Passixer to detect the device. Start and prepare. Click Start. Just follow the prompts. It's automatic guidance, and accept prompts on the device if asked. Important: do not disconnect during this phase. Bypass process. After any required jailbreak, click Start Bypass or Continue as prompted. Passixer will run the bypass automatically. You'll see progress bars and logs showing status. Finish and reboot. When completed, Passixer shows a success message. The device will reboot and proceed to setup without asking for the previous Apple ID. Notes and tips. Your device must stay powered and connected. The tool may take up to an hour, depending on the model and whether jailbreaking is needed. Passixer is a professional, paid tool. It's not a free web trick. Treat it as a software solution for cases where free methods fail. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to Eassiy Official for more device fixes. Check the description for links and step-by-step resources. Thanks for watching. See you next time.